A nice easy job to do today. I'm going to do the oil filter on the late EcoBoost engine, the one with the timing chain. So raise the vehicle and let's get the lower engine cover off. This consists of quite a few Torx 30 bolts that just need removing. Really light this panel, and once these Torx 30s are out it will just lift down. Just take note of the little lips that go under the suspension mountings. This is what holds it on in place. And with that out of the way, we can see at the sump there's just one 13mm bolt at the back. Really easy. Make sure you have something suitable to catch the oil and then drain it out. Then leave it to drain for a good 15-20 minutes. Make sure you get as much oil out as you can. The oil filter is at the front of the engine that can be seen here. Using this oil filter wrench, you can just put it round it and then it will unscrew nice and easily. Again, make sure the oil catch tank's below it. And very important, when the oil filter comes down, make sure that the rubber seal comes down with it. You don't want to put a new oil filter on, because this will cause a major oil leak. With the new oil filter, make sure you smear a light coating of oil onto the new seal. This will stop it sticking when you come to change the oil filter the next time. And this just needs tightening by hand. Give it a good firm grip and tighten it as tight as you can by hand. Just be sure to check the seal on the sump plug. If this needs replacing, you can get a kit with the oil filter, the oil and the sump plug. Here's a link to the parts I used. So put the sump plug back in, make sure it's nice and tight, and then add the 5 litres of engine oil that you got for your car. This engine does take 5 litres of engine oil, and then start the engine, run it for a minute or two, and let the engine oil settle, and then check the engine oil level. Just give the sump plug and the oil filter a quick double check, make sure there's no leaks, and then we can put back on the engine cover. Just make sure that those lips sit where they came from originally, and then tighten up the Torx 30s on the lower engine cover. And that's it, a job well done. Just make sure that you dispose of your old engine oil correctly for the environment. You can find all the parts and tools used on our website at howtofixit.co.uk. And why not check out some of these other great EcoBoost videos, and we'll see you over there in a click.